Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best guitar tuners for beginners in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is KLIQ UberTuner. If you're looking for a durable and quick-acting clip-on tuner for your electric or acoustic stringed instrument, this tuner is one of the most capable options on the market. Its design is very simple, featuring 3 control buttons on the side and a very bright display that occupies nearly the entire face of the tuner. The display features multi-point swiveling, allowing users to place the tuner at the most optimal position for their needs. Within the tuner's clip is a sensitive piezoelectric pickup that offers responsive performance and accuracy down to 0.1 cent for precise tuning action. In addition to having dedicated modes for bass, guitar, violin, and ukulele, this tuner offers a chromatic tuning mode that offers compatibility with most other instruments. Woodwind, brass, and other transposing instruments are also directly compatible with the UberTuner, thanks to its built-in B-flat, E-flat, F, and D transposition modes. Because it's built for speed and clarity, it has a minimalist design that makes it easy to use. However, you'll need to spend some time growing accustomed to the controls if you plan on accessing any of its other tuning modes or using transposition. Many functions require long pressing of buttons, and transposition is particularly clunky to navigate, traveling in only one direction and requiring users to press the button numerous times. Luckily, the tuner does have a built-in memory, so once you have your settings dialed in, they'll stay that way until the next time you change the battery. Number 2. Our second best pick is Snark ST8 Super Tight Clip-on Tuner. Guitarists and other musicians operating on a budget or those looking for an extra tuner to keep on hand should consider this guitar tuner as a good option for the money. Like most other clip-on tuners, it uses a sensitive internal pickup to read pitch and displays the current note on a large LED display. This tuner in particular uses a tightly wound spring to keep a firm grasp on instruments, but this extra tension combined with the tuner's light weight requires careful handling so as not to accidentally launch it across the room. It is fully chromatic and thus capable of working with every instrument, but it doesn't display the name of the target notes for specific instruments, which means that users are required to know their target notes ahead of time. The unit hosts a simple set of control buttons on the rear for transposition, and the entire head of the tuner rotates a full 360 degrees to allow for flexible placement and easy visibility. While the display is decently bright in indoor settings, it's a bit dim for outdoor use and viewing under direct light. Number 3. Our third best pick is ROADIE 3 Smart Automatic Guitar Tuner. Offering completely automated tuning in a portable handheld form, this is an entirely unique option that's ideal for traveling musicians and folks who change their strings regularly. This smart guitar tuner employs accurate pitch detection and a built-in motor to bring strings to their proper pitch with minimal user effort. All it takes is placement of the ROADIE 3 onto a tuning peg and a quick pluck of the string. A built-in high-resolution display shows the current tuning settings and allows navigation between presets, all of which are configurable via the onboard interface and 4 program buttons. Users can choose from more than 100 built-in alternate tunings for different instruments and capo configurations or create their own and toggle between high accuracy and quick tune modes. It is compatible with all stringed instruments that use machine head tuners except for basses, which are compatible with the manufacturer's ROADIE bass model. This design limitation means that players of orchestral instruments in particular should look to an alternative manual tuner like the KLIQ UberTuner. In terms of support, Band Industries offers users the ability to update the tuner's firmware when needed, but the process requires that users download and use an Android or iOS app, which can be cumbersome and time-consuming. Users should also bear in mind that, while the ROADIE 3 is a great way to get your guitar in tune quickly, its mechanical nature makes it a less than subtle option that simply can't beat a pedal or clip-on model for use during performances. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Peterson StroboStomp HD Guitar Tuner. It is a classic strobe tuner stomp box with pro-level features like switchable tuning modes and an incredibly bright LCD display that's visible in direct sunlight. Its pitch detection is accurate to 1/10 of a cent, or roughly 1/1000 of the space between two neighboring notes, allowing users to achieve one of the most accurate tuning experiences possible. Unlike tuners that utilize a moving needle or other linear display system to guide users' pitch, this tuner uses a strobe display that rotates like a carousel, alternating its speed and direction until the perfect pitch is reached. Because strobe designs allow granular pitch control and high-resolution tracking, this design is more favorable for achieving precise tuning than traditional interfaces. Besides accommodating traditional acoustic electric and electric guitars, it features modes for a host of other instruments including banjo, bass, 7-string guitar, harp, and orchestral instruments. An onboard preset system allows users to save and switch between custom configurations for everything from alternate tunings to playing with a capo, each made distinct by selectable LED colors. Unique to the StroboStomp HD is a switchable sweetened tuning mode that compensates for instruments' natural intonation irregularities, which is aimed at eliminating the common experience of tuning an instrument only to have each string be out of tune with the others. And amp, NBSP. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is TC Electronic PolyTune. This 3-mini packs robust functionality and flexibility into a bite-sized form factor that's perfect for any pedal board. Its standout feature is by far its polyphonic tuning ability, allowing users to strum every string at once and see which are out of tune at a glance. In real-world settings like recording sessions and performances, this unique feature saves precious minutes and offers an easy way to get in tune with minimal interruptions. It also automatically detects single-string plucks, moving between both tuning modes seamlessly without user intervention. Other appealing features of this tuner include its switchable built-in buffer circuit that boosts signal strength, making it a good choice for placing at the beginning of long cable runs and complex pedal boards. While its default mode mutes the guitar while tuning, it's also capable of remaining on without interrupting the signal, which is useful for tuning while playing. The tuner also includes switchable strobe mode that increases the accuracy to an impressive 1/50th of a cent. It is a fantastic value for what it accomplishes and its unique functionality, but it doesn't include a power supply, nor does it run on batteries. It's compatible with all standard center -9V DC supplies, so it's easy to add to any existing pedal board setup, but this is something to keep in mind if you're starting from scratch. Like all pedal tuners, and unlike clip-on tuners, it requires a direct connection to your instrument as well. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.